Well, we're on the road again. This time we're headed out to the cane beds area out in Arizona. Got a Jeep up Rosy Canyon that's stuck. Been up in there quite a few times, so we'll get out there in the Cherokee. Hopefully be able to just give them a quick pull out of the sand and get them back to the hard pack. We've got a lot of petroglyphs and things in the area that people like to go see, so occasionally they get stuck. So we will take you along for the ride and see where we end up. How are you, Casey?
Jim Stewart.
Jim, good to meet you. Where are you from?
Well, my family's been here since the 60s. But my dad was in the Navy, so I lived around the world.
Oh, attaboy.
Yeah. But, you know, I've taken this truck of mine so many places and
There's no
gotten away with murder so many times, and this time it bit me. It bit me good.
That's how it goes. There's an old Toyota.
Yeah, it's my nephew's. He's like,
Walked home yesterday, huh?
well, you know, my big mistake was I tried to dig myself out for too long.
Oh.
And, you know, you get to that point where you should stop trying to dig your way out.
Yeah.
And start concentrating on hiking out. I kind of like overextended myself. Got a little overheated. Otherwise, hiking out wouldn't have been a big deal at all.
Yeah.
I go out in these places that are really, I mean, we're talking about remote areas.
Oh yeah. It's the best, isn't it?
It's a blast. The thing is, you know, because of the lack of rain, it's so loamy.
Oh yeah. Soft as heck.
So you gotta get stuck eventually.
Got a little torch right there, huh?
Guy was burning some weeds. And
They got it put out, or did they end up getting the fire department out here?
I think they got it out. But got some stuff on fire. Whew.
Yeah, we come out here for Memorial Day. We spent the weekend out here on the sands.
Yeah, but you and about 20,000 other people?
It wasn't bad. Nobody's ever on the sand dunes.
You know, that's the one thing I can't understand, because we got a place in Phoenix too.
Uh-huh.
It was like glamis this and glamis that. And
too many people for me.
Too many people. And I'd say, you know, I'm up there by Coral Peak, and they're like, oh man, I've seen that on YouTube, and you're so lucky.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's just so many cool places to go out here.
Yeah, it's pretty neat. Did you go up and look at the petroglyphs and all that?
I was looking for a site that had them. I got a guy working at the house now who told me about this trail.
Uh-huh.
And I've been pretty close to it. He goes, yeah, you missed your turnoff. So I decided to give it a shot yesterday. And almost crested the hill.
Maybe we'll walk back.
No, back over I'm still haven't recovered from this.
Was it warm yesterday afternoon?
Yeah, it was.
Oh, yeah.
You know, you're there trying to dig out the sun, and it wears you out. This trail, it basically runs up the ridge, the back of this plateau here. You can go all the way to this end. You look down, and then you can turn around, and then you can go back that direction. That's where the petroglyphs were. Oh, this. But you know, I've seen them 100 times.
Yeah.
So you always want to go see something else.
It never gets old, though.
No.
This old Jeep's been around the block a time or two.
He's going to get a workout today.
Yeah.
You know, my truck's nothing special. It's not modified in any way whatsoever. It just has some grippier tires on them.
Well, maybe on the way back you'll have somebody to hold hands with when we get stuck.
We're not going to get stuck. If I could just, like I said, if I could just get to the top that hill, I can make it the rest of the way. This is the canyon I try to hike down out of. Since I missed this canyon, there's a way you can get her down that's pretty easy. And I caught the next canyon. The problem was that I was so down in that sand wash that I was just like almost to the point of delirium. It's like, oh crap, I can't hike anymore. But I had to hike back up, and the canyon I came down into and couldn't get down, so I had to hike back up there and come down the other canyon. I had my dogs with me.
Your dogs were probably having the time of their life till they got hot.
They were a little pissed off at that point. But once I get down to the road, I get picked up in 5 minutes.
Oh yeah.
No problem.
Just show a little leg and you're good to go.
Yeah. Freaking cut up legs from trying to hike out. There's the canyon that came out. It was pretty easy to get down there.
Yeah, that's not too bad to get down there.
Yeah.
A little sandy in that one.
But yeah, if you shoot, as the crow flies, it's not that far. It's just that you gotta snake your way back. You're gonna go in some real sandy crap, so you better keep your speed up. There it is.
Hey, there you are.
Yeah, don't go down that hill.
Heavy Chevy. All right, well, we made it out here, man. We live in a beautiful place. Look at that. It's a little windy, so you're gonna have to excuse the wind noise because I didn't bring a windsock today. I could put a bag over my face or the camera, go down here and show you what he's got going on. The old Chev. He is stuck. Boy, howdy. Yeah, you're stuck all right.
Yeah, I've had better days. If it just got down and around that tree, it was flat enough that I probably could have gotten around and taken another shot, but
somehow that thing occasionally gets locked. I'm not sure exactly what the scoop is. So. It's warmish today.
yeah. Now imagine sitting there with that little shovel. The COVID was kind of killed bike sales there, and
Well, I'm going to get a soft shackle to connect these two ropes with,
okay.
instead of using that hard shackle. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit you pretty good initially, and then just give you enough. You stop moving, I'll stop and I'll back up and I'll hit you again. Okay. So I'll just Yeah, look how steep, soft that stuff is down there. Yeah, he's gonna go gather up his boards and stuff he used to try to get out. We're gonna get the ropes gathered up and work our way out of here. 2 or 3 miles to go on this narrow little sandy road, but that was great.
Yeah, that's probably the most excitement you'll have today.
Oh, I don't know about that. This might be one of 5 or 6 today.
Really?
That was a good time right there.
It was. Never a heartbeat. Still have to walk home.
Again?
Woo. Have you seen?
Well, sorry about that rough ride there. I gathered up that cedar tree. Well, that was a pretty dang good time. We had a hoot going in there, having a little chat, and was able to get 2 of the 30-foot ropes hooked to him and pull him up out of there, and he was sure having a good time. He had to walk out of there yesterday. He was a little disappointed that he didn't have to walk in the heat again today at 95 degrees, so it's warming right up in southern Utah. Actually, we're in Arizona right now, but it was a good time. I tell you guys, I sure appreciate all the support and all the interactions on the comment section, and sure helps out when you guys share and like and comment, so thank you for that. And we will catch you on the next one.